In this video, you'll learn how to enable dark mode on Slack. This feature can enhance your viewing experience, especially in low light environments. Following these steps will allow you to easily switch to dark mode and customize your appearance settings. First, open the Slack application on your computer or navigate to the Slack website. Ensure that you are logged into your workspace. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to access your channels. Once you are in the Slack interface, you will see your channels listed on the left side of the screen. Next, locate and click on the Home option at the top left corner of the interface. This action will direct you to your main Slack dashboard where you can manage your messages and channels. You should see your workspace name along with various options for navigation. After that, click on your workspace title, which is displayed at the top of the Slack window. This will open a drop-down menu containing several options related to your workspace settings. You can identify the correct screen by noticing the options available in this menu. Now, select Preferences from the drop-down menu. This option typically appears near the bottom of the list. Once you click on it, a new window will open on the right side of the screen, displaying various settings for your Slack experience. Then navigate to the Appearance section within the Preferences window. You may need to scroll down to find this option. Here, you will have access to settings related to the visual layout of your Slack interface. Next, find the color mode option within the appearance settings. This is where you can choose between different visual themes for Slack. The options you see will allow you to select either light mode, dark mode, or the option to follow your computer's settings. Once you've located the color mode section, select dark mode to enable this feature. The change should take effect immediately, allowing you to see your Slack interface in a darker theme. This can help reduce eye strain and make it easier to focus on your conversations. You have now successfully enabled dark mode on Slack. If you wish to try this process yourself, the steps are straightforward and can be repeated whenever you want to switch modes. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and remember to subscribe for more guides like this.